Wow, those are big ass drops.
Hey, he's got the legs for it though. You see them legs that boy's got on him? He got a set of donkers on him. Turn that thing around, Bub. Show him that dump truck. Look at that thing. Like a salt shaker. You know what I mean? Oh, God, I need that. I gotta start doing butt exercises. Don't talk to me like that.
It's a reverse eye.
It's in. Like, it's just, yeah.
Well, there it is. First chalking of the new gun.
Well, get a little chop on it.
Get a little bit on there.
When I get some white stuff on it, it just makes me feel better.
I'm telling you what.
Sorry.
Putting white stuff on your tools in front of your boys is the way to be.
Don't get it. Don't stop believing. Keep it into the night. Street
Don't touch
light.
me. Just kidding. Give me some. That's bad luck.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Good run, Bert. Nice run.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Damn.
Come on. There you go. Bless you. Bless you again.
Good job, Bob.
What they have to do?
Biceps bigger than them legs.
Bob, they wasn't built. They were built like a gazelle, okay? Maximum top speed, okay?
You got anti-fog?
Yeah.
Yes,
He does.
I do.
Can I steal
I did
it?
not put it in.
The second I put these on?
Yeah. Oh, I know.
You got something to wipe it off?
Yeah.
I got a rag.
I have a towel right here in my balls.
Is that the defogger? I thought the cream was.
No, that's the defogger.
Anti-fog.
Oh, no.
Learn to
I
fucking
told
read,
you.
pal.
Bob, I dropped out early. Dropped out. Wow. Yeah, go f yourself.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Good run. That look good. There you go, Dan. Thanks, Bob.
Yep.
There you go. Nice run, Jeremy.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Just little things. Oh no. There you go.
It might not work with that, but watch the wall when you choose through the court. Hey, you see the fucking shake?
Nice.
Come on, Bert.
Are you ready? Stand by. Me.
Nice run, Bert. Good run, Jeremy.
Are you ready?
Good.
Stand by.
Mike.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Dude, it worked. I actually.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Yes, yes. Get it. Get it. Come on. Yeah!
That life, that
Three.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Nice reload.
good run.
Woo whoop!
Are you ready? Stand by.
I actually just bought a new
Load off the other one.
Yeah. If I do that, I have 3 makeup.
Yeah.
move over to carry on.
Woo whoop!
Nice.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Here's my hand. Thank you, sir. Fuck.
How many times?
I know, I keep fucking forgetting to do. I'm like, I'm first, I better get chalked up.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Nice.
Put that man finger on it. That flickle finger. Put that flickle finger on there. I'm in the rhythm. Feel the stride. Zumbun time. Uh-oh, raindrop.
So I could almost forego lunch.
Oh, yeah, that's lunch. Hit it, baby. Hit it, Hot Wheels. 2 shots per. It's all right. Way to stay in there.
It's clear. Are you ready? Go to the gas station, turn the corner.
That's not what he practiced.
I don't think I was hitting that one from there.
Are you ready? Stand by.
That's why you don't move that.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Holy. God damn, I smell. Get the fuck in the holster.
They gave him a big bay, and he said, "Let me see how I can stretch to every corner."
Fucker.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Ah, nope. Don't do that. I can't believe I forgot that target.
Which one did you forget?
The
Had
one
to
you
go
got
back.
saved.
Are you ready?
No.
He didn't hit that one time, did he? I don't think he did. Would you grab my camera from him and bring it to me quickly, please? Can you do that, please?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Are you
Yes,
sure?
that's ours. Yeah.
I don't want herpes, so. Who the fuck showed up to shoot? Good lord. Good shit.
Are you ready? Stand by.
You care to get me and Jeremy? Thanks, Bubba. Thank you.
You know what? At this point, I'd pay that happily.
There you go.
Did you make my butt look good?
There's only so much a camera can do.
Are you ready?
Right.
Stand by.
Yeah! Good run.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Good job, Bert.
Oh yeah, Bart.
No fucking dot.
Oh, yeah, hang on.
I gotta go grab this. There you go.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.